Hi everyone, check out the Eagsouni snow boots designed for both men and women that keep your feet warm with soft, fluffy faux fur lining. These boots feature a water-resistant upper to protect against rain and snow during outdoor activities, though they are not fully waterproof. The high-grade rubber outsole provides excellent slip resistance, abrasion resistance, and durability for safe walking on slippery surfaces. A protective toe cap guards your feet from accidental bumps and rocky terrain. Perfect for skiing, hiking, camping, walking the dog, or just daily errands in cold weather. Lightweight and easy to slip on, these boots offer comfort and reliable protection all winter long. Stay warm, dry, and secure with these versatile winter shoes for any adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.